Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Encountering Intel exit code 8 can be a bit frustrating, especially when you're just trying to update your drivers. This error typically signals that the driver installation process ran into an unexpected snag, preventing it from finishing properly. It's a pretty common issue that many users face, but thankfully, there are several effective steps you can take to get things back on track. We're here to walk you through them, making it easy to understand and implement. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's try a few quick fixes that often resolve the problem. A simple restart of your computer can clear up temporary glitches and allow the installer to run smoothly. Next, double-check that your Windows operating system is completely up to date, as outdated system files can sometimes cause conflicts. Finally, always remember to right-click the driver installer and choose Run as Administrator to ensure it has all the necessary permissions to complete its job. If the quick fixes don't work, it's time for a deeper driver cleanup. Begin by uninstalling existing Intel drivers through your device manager for a fresh start. For a truly clean slate, consider using a specialized tool like Display Driver Uninstaller, or the. It removes all traces of old drivers, and it's best run in safe mode. Once your system is clean, download the very latest drivers directly from the official Intel support website, ensuring you have the correct version for your specific hardware. Sometimes, the issue isn't just with the driver itself, but with your system's overall health. Try running a System File Checker, or SFC, scan to repair any corrupted Windows files. Following that, a DISM scan can help fix underlying system image problems. Also, consider any new software you've installed recently, as it might be creating a conflict. As a last resort, using a system restore point can revert your computer to a previous stable state, potentially resolving the issue entirely. Solving Intel exit code 8 often requires a bit of patience and systematically working through these steps. More often than not, a clean driver installation, combined with ensuring your system's integrity, will resolve the problem completely. If you've tried everything and the issue still persists, don't worry. There are many online communities, like the official Intel support forums, where you can find further assistance. You've got this, and help is available if you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.